Hello everyone, I'm Rachel. Today I'm going to bring you to explore around Gopeng, a place surrounded by lush rainforest with its breathtaking view. Let me introduce this cozy and beautiful villa that I stay, which is Adeline Villa. This is Adeline with her cute little bike. She is a friendly host as well as a smart and tough woman who starts her business with a limited savings that she had that time. Let us have a glimpse of this stunning natural environment. There are two types of accommodations here, chalet and dormitory. You can have a great hillside view from your room. This dorm can cater up to 40 people at a time, and you can have team building activities here. This is the lake garden. And remember to apply mosquito repellent before you come, or else the mosquito will fall in love with you. Next, we are heading to Ulugeruntum waterfall. Along the way, you can experience the simplicity of kampung life. Here is Ulugeruntum waterfall. Wow, who is that sexy guy? Oh, it's my husband. Dinner time. Here you can enjoy vast variety of delicious local cuisine which is halal certified. There is chili crab with fried mantou, grilled sanma, satay, grilled corn, sausage, lamb chops, chicken wing, and many more. It is a wise choice to have a night walk after a full meal, and don't be like my husband lying there. The next day, you can go for hiking at Bukit Batu Putih to burn your calories so that you can have more quota for another big meal later. Here they are, our breakfast. We have roti canai, kuih tiao, dim sum, and nasi lemak. These are the top Malaysian breakfast. Before we end our short trip, let's stroll in the bamboo park, getting fresh air, or borrow a book and get a nice post for Instagram. Hope you guys enjoy my video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.